I've got the Xiaomi POCO M3 right here. This is actually the 4GB RAM, 64GB storage version, which launched in China for $130. I've been very curious about how this device holds up as an entry-level smartphone, especially with the idea of unlocking the bootloader so that I can flash a custom ROM like LineageOS. I've been using this phone for a few days. I'm about close to getting that 1 week wait period to unlock the bootloader. And I just wanted to do a benchmark using PCMark because I've been pretty impressed with the performance. The animations and the user interface transitions has been very smooth. I have noticed some slowdown and lag whenever I'm doing search within the settings application. And I imagine that is going to be due to the slower storage, the UFS 2.1. Now the 128GB version has UFS 2.2, which doing a quick search shows that the main addition for that version, and is probably a good reason to buy the 128GB version, is because of a new feature called Write Booster. It is a write accelerator function which will increase the writing speeds compared to UFS 2.1. And this is basically going to be shown in your day-to-day use whenever you open up an application, especially whenever that application needs to build your cache data. It's going to be able to write that data a lot quicker. So I'm curious how this phone's going to compare, at least with synthetic benchmarks, on MIUI compared to a custom ROM like LineageOS. So I'm going to be running the get a baseline for Xiaomi's MIUI. And we're just going to let that run. We got an ambient temperature here in the room, about 67 degrees Fahrenheit. And we got a PCMark Work 2.0 performance score for the Xiaomi POCO M3, total of 6,026. So that is the Work 2.0 performance score. For the web browsing 2.0, we got a score of 5,806. The video editing score, 3,488. The writing 2.0 PCMark benchmark score at 6,505. The photo editing 2.0 benchmark score at 12,060. The data manipulation score at 5,003. With Android 10 currently installed right now. And you can see through the animations throughout the entire benchmark, very smooth, not any lag through those synthetic benchmarks. I'll give you a closer look at the graph showing you the CPU spikes for the individual tests. And that wraps it up for the POCO M3 benchmark test results. This is again using Xiaomi's stock MIUI based on Android 10. We can see this device is running MIUI 12.0.3. I expect those scores to hopefully improve whenever Xiaomi pushes out the update to MIUI that's based on Android 11. And I also expect those scores to go up a little more once I get a custom ROM installed. A good baseline for the benchmark on the Xiaomi POCO M3 smartphone.